Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Facebook page to Instagram account, business or personal. For my preference, I'm going to connect personal only because I'm not doing any business. So let's get started. The first thing, open your Facebook on desktop because the desktop tutorial. Click on accounts and see all profile. I'm going to select my page called Wonder Harmony. It will be automatic switch. Now click on your page again and you find the Meta Business Suite option. Just click there. It will be open in new window. Or whether you find the option for connecting to Instagram. Now you can see it's a fade because it's not connected and you have to connect. To get started, click on Get Started and this will load the Instagram. Click on Continue. Click on Continue again. I'm going to log in to my Instagram account and it's got connected. And that's it. This is how you can able to connect your Facebook account to Instagram account. That's it. So that's it for today. See you in the next time.